Coaching is a luxury service. What? Really? Courtney, are you sure? I'm sure, and I'm gonna tell you why. A luxury literally means anything in excess of what is necessary. Luxury, I think, comes from like the Latin word luxor or something, which has its roots in excess, right? So it's anything above and beyond what's necessary. You may need a car, but you don't need a Tesla. Girl, you know you don't need a Tesla, even though you want one, and it's cool, it's cute. You might need food, but you don't need filet mignon, right? You might need childcare, but you don't need a nanny. You might need a clean house, but you don't need a housekeeper. All of these things technically are luxury services, and coaching is no different. You've probably heard of Maslow's hierarchy of needs, right? So if you're not familiar, since I got my handy dandy notebook, I feel like Blue's Clues. Shout out to all my moms entertaining toddlers, watching Blue's Clues 30 times a day, right? The top here is self-actualization. What is that? What is self-actualization? That is you desiring to achieve your highest potential. Does that sound familiar? Yes, that is the mission statement of most life coaches. People pay for coaching because they're what? They're trying to self-actualize. But self-actualization, by definition, is what? Above and beyond those necessities, right? So we have our physical needs down here, food, shelter, and all that. As a coach, you are helping people do something that is in excess of the necessities, that is in excess of the bare bones. So by definition, coaching technically is a luxury service, which means technically you are a luxury service provider.